Hey everyone, Cassandra here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I have one of my favorite recipes. It is Haitian Fritay. I'm so excited to be sharing with you guys this recipe, my version of it. So without further ado, let's get to it. So to start off, I'm going to show you how I prepare my green plantains. Now you can use green plantains or the plantains that are sweet. I'm choosing to use green plantains. I actually love fritay with regular green plantains or the ones that are like a little bit sweet. So today, just the regular green ones. I'm going to peel them. This is how I like to cut my plantains before adding them to the salt water. I'm also going to be preparing some homemade fries, and I'm using some regular white potatoes. And I'll show you exactly how I like to prepare my homemade fries. You guys, I love eating homemade fries. If you have not tried homemade fries before, you're definitely missing out. To prepare the salt water for the bouillon pesé, you will need number one ingredient, vinegared water. Do not skip the vinegar in your water. You don't want it to be too overwhelming, but you want to make sure that vinegar taste is there. You need salt and Maggi, and that is it. You guys, this combination, if you try it, please believe you will not be disappointed. I cannot turn back. Once I created this little recipe, I can't turn back eating my bouillon pesé any other way. I'm also going to be adding some white sweet potatoes. These are a little different than your regular sweet yellow sweet potatoes that you would find here in the US. These are mainly found on the islands. I added a tad of lime juice and some salt. To season my regular potatoes, I've added some salt, parsley, pepper, black pepper, and I'll also add some Old Bay seasoning. You can season your fries however you like, but this combination to me is really good. It just gives it like so much yummy flavors. So if you've made it this far into the video and you're not already subscribed, what are you waiting for? Please support this channel by subscribing. That's how I know you guys like the content that I'm putting out, and it helps me know what you guys want to see. So please consider subscribing to the YouTube channel if you like any of the videos that I've made. So for my meats, I'll be using hard chicken. This is not regular chicken, it is hard chicken. It's prepared a little bit differently. So to actually clean the chicken, this is the usual way. I clean my meats with vinegar, lime juice, actual limes and lemons, and salt. Just go through, scrub all the pieces with the lime, and make sure all the fat and everything is off of it. I do have these pre-cut at the butcher when I purchased the meat from my butcher. You do want to make sure that you cut your meat into pieces before you fry them. At least in our Haitian culture, when you are preparing meat, you do want to have little slits or some type of slashes in the meat so that all the juices and all the goodness of whatever seasonings you use. Okay, so once I've drained the water that I was cleaning, I'll go ahead and shoulder the meat with some hot boiling water from my kettle. This is not going to cook the chicken all the way. It's only to release all of the blood and all the nasty stuff from the meat. So this is typical Haitian cooking where we shoulder our meat or add some hot water before the cooking process. To season the chicken, I will use Old Bay, Maggi, adobo, Lari's seasoning, black pepper, onion powder, garlic powder. To prepare my sauce, I'm going to be using onions, celery, black cloves, tomato paste, sofrito paste, cilantro paste, garlic and parsley salt, black pepper, and Maggi. So if you had your ipis, this would be a perfect time to add ipis. And when you're seasoning before, like if you're doing your chicken beforehand, it's also a great time to add ipis in it. Once all of your sauce is assembled, you just want to put the chicken to the side, let it boil, let it soften. It will take some time to soften if you are using hard chicken. So now I'm gonna go ahead and fry my potatoes and my plantains. So you guys, I don't have a Pez or the actual plantain flattener, so I'm just using two regular plates together, two small regular cake plates together to go ahead and flatten up all my plantains. This is a little bit, a little bit unconventional, but it's impromptu. You got to use what you have on hand. And I think anything will do to fry these plantains. So once you are done flattening them, you just put them in another round to fry. And you guys, once you taste these plantains, okay, you will never ever go back. I'm telling you, adding the vinegar water to the plantains, look at that color. Just look at that. And the taste, you will not be disappointed. And my final step is to fry the chicken. So this is what it will look like after it's been sitting in the sauce. And I'm going to fry them. You want to use the sauce later on. I use it for dipping, like dipping my plantains and just dipping my chicken. You can rid of the sauce or just save it for later. So this is the finished product, you guys. I hope you guys liked this video. You guys, this is one of my favorite dishes in the world. I love Fritay, and I'm so happy to be sharing with you guys my recipe the way I like to prepare it. I topped this off with some pickles and my Haitian sauce that I made from the chicken. I hope you guys try this recipe. I hope you like it just as much as I do. And you guys, if you haven't already subscribed to the YouTube channel, please consider supporting this channel by subscribing. And I will see you in the next video.